So let's have a look at the main part of this lesson. It's going to be quite quick because obviously once you look at a couple of examples you sort of notice it's the pattern of doubling. Okay, so first of all we have two fish. Okay, so if we are doubling the fish, we add two more fish. We now have four fish. So if we put that into a part whole, we know that double 2, because with 2 add 2 is 4. So 2 add 2 equals 4. Because part plus part equals whole. Next example. We've got 3 add 3. So double 3. 3 add 3 is 6. 3 add 3 equals 6. Put it into a part whole. We've got 3 and 3. Add them together. Changes to 6. So double 3 is 6. 3 add 3 is 6. These are really important. For example, if you are looking at adding two-digit numbers together and you see that, for example, 13 add 23, if you see that those ones are the same, you know that that's a double, so you know that the ones definitely are 6. And then you can just add the tens. We have domino. If we've got 2, add 2, that means we've got double 2. If we were looking at it on a number line, we could skip counting 2s. 2, 4. Here we have 4 add 4. So 4 add 4 means that we've got double 4. We could use number line again, because we could add 4, add 4. So 0 to 4 is 4. Counting on 4 is 8. So double 4 is 8. 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is double 5. Start from 0, count to 5, add 5 more, and we should know that really 5 and 5 is a number bond to 10, so 5 and 5 is 10. Final question I'm going to look at is number greater than 10. So we've got double, that's 10, add 1, so double 11. Okay, so let's double it. So let's put it on there. So 11 plus 11. Now, if we add the two 10s together, we've got 10, 20. Add the two 1s, 1 add 1 is 22. So 20 add 2 is 22. So we know that double 11 is 22. 11 plus 11 is 22. Have a go at the questions on the worksheet, please.